Hi everyone, this is your Friday maths activity where we're going to work with money. So what I've done is I've put through, obviously it's paper, you'll have to cut it up. So there's the 50 cents, the $1, the $2, the $5 and the $10. And here are the coins of 5 cents, 10 cents, 20 cents and the 50 cents are here. So there's quite a lot of coins. You're not going to need them all, but you will need some. Now the first page that you have to work through is how much money is in my jar. So they've shown you money in there. You have to count this money and write the total in there. So with this one, you would count 50 cents, start with the biggest amount of money, 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 75 cents. So you would write in there 75 cents in there. And then in this page, they have given you the money that they would like you to put in the jar. So that's where you use your coins here and your notes if you need it, and your gold coins and your 50-cent coins. So look at the jar first. You have to add up, sorry, this one here. They have got their $2.65. So you have to cut out of the paper money and paste in your jar $2.65. This one says $1.95. So you have to cut it out of the paper money and paste $1.95 worth in your jar. I would think carefully about how you're pasting, because at school there were corners lifted up, there was crooked. We're trying to work on all those things. So try and paste the money down properly, no corners sticking out, nice and neat in rows if you can, please. Okay, the next one is $4.20. So you work out how you can get $4.20 from the money. Put it in the jar to show me. And here we've got $1.40. I should see $1.40 in there, $3.75 and $2.75. So that's your money for Friday. Same thing again. They've given you how much they expect you to put in the jar. All right? And then this last page is a bit hard, but you can do it. So this is sort of telling a story without using words. They've just got pictures. And they've also got the money that you have to count up. So what they are saying is find out how much the apple cost and find out how much the banana cost and put them together. So you're adding two numbers together like you would normally add numbers. So the apple is worth 50 cents. The banana is worth 40 cents, 20 and 20. So altogether, the total price, total means altogether, the total price of the apple and the banana is what? 50 cents plus 20 cents, which is 70 cents, plus another 70 cents, another 20 cents. So that's 70 and 20 is 90 cents is what you'd write in there. The cost of the apple and the banana together is 90 cents. And then you work your way down to a banana and a carrot in the same way. How much does that cost? Then you work your way down to a pineapple, and they look like tomatoes to me. I'm not sure what they are, but I think they look like tomatoes. So here we've got a pineapple equals a gold coin and another coin. So you'll have to add these two together. An apple equals 50 cents, like it was in the beginning. An apple equals 50 cents. Tomatoes equals 50 cents and a 20 cent and a 10 cent. There's lots and lots of adding in this one today. So there's 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 plus 10 is 80. So these tomatoes cost 80 cents. Just write 80 cents next to it. But then you're going to work out what the pineapple's worth and just sort of write it in there a bit. And we have to see how well you can add. Okay, it's just about adding numbers. That's all this is. Got a couple more there to go and you're done. So this is your last one. So good luck with your counting. Do not rush through your work. Do not rush through cutting out stuff. You need to take your time and build up your fine motor skills, which means all the bones and the ligaments and things in your hands need to be strong. Okay, so that's just a part of the reason why we're doing this.